Hello everyone, welcome to AKSHARAHA, an initiative by Anveshan Educational Trust. Before we talk about big companies, CEOs, or strategies, we need to answer one simple question. What exactly is management? In this video, we'll understand the meaning and definition of management, its nature, scope, and why management is so important in every organization. Now, let me ask you a question. Why do some organizations run smoothly while others struggle even with good people and resources? Is it money? Is it technology? Or is it something else? The real answer is effective management. Management is the force that coordinates people, uses resources properly, and ensures everyone moves in the same direction. Management, in simple words, means getting things done but not alone. Management is the art of getting things done through people for achieving organizational goals. So, a manager doesn't do all the works personally. Instead, the manager plans, guides, motivates, and coordinates people so that goals are achieved efficiently. Management is not a one time activity, it's a continuous process. This process includes 5 important functions: planning, deciding what to do; organizing, arranging resources and tasks; staffing, placing the right people in the right job; directing, guiding and motivating employees; and controlling, checking whether goals are achieved or not. So these functions work together like a cycle and not separately. Let's now look at some important definitions. F.W. Taylor, the father of scientific management, defined management as knowing exactly what you want men to do and then seeing that they do it in the best and cheapest way. This definition is all about clear instructions, efficiency, and cost control. Taylor's approach is called scientific management. His main focus was on improving work efficiency, studying task and time using standard methods. The goal was very clear: maximum output at minimum cost. This approach is especially useful in factories and production based organizations. Another important contributor is Henry Fayol. According to him, to manage is to forecast and plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate, and to control. This definition focuses more on what managers do rather than just efficiency. Henry Fayol's theory is known as administrative management. His emphasis was on management process, that is planning, organizing, directing and controlling. The goal here is smooth and systematic functioning of organization. Even today, Fayol's ideas form the base of modern management functions. Now, let's come to modern management thinking. Peter F. Drucker defined management as a multi-purpose organ that manages business, managers, workers, and work. This definition shows that management is not just about profit but also about people and leadership. He emphasized people, leadership, motivation, and teamwork. His focus was on achieving goals through people. According to Drucker, employees are not machines. They are valuable resources who need direction, motivation, and purpose. Let's now understand the nature of management. Management is goal oriented. It exists to achieve objectives. Universal. Management is required in every organization. Continuous. Management is a never-ending process. Group activity. Management involves people working together. Dynamic. It adapts to changes. Intangible. Management cannot be seen but only felt through results. The scope of management is very wide. It includes functional areas such as planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling, and operational areas such as production, marketing, finance, and human resources. This shows that management is involved in every department of an organization. Management is important because it helps in achieving goals, improves efficiency, ensures coordination among departments, supports growth and expansion. Without management, even the best resources can go waste. To conclude, management is the backbone of every organization. It connects people, resources, and goals. Different thinkers have explained management from different perspectives, but the ultimate aim remains the same: effective goal achievement. In the next video, we'll learn about functions of management, levels, and the managerial roles. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.